Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from theCeesoflife.com, and currently what I'm doing right now, I decided just to turn the camera on and update the viewers that I'm currently working behind the scenes on my services section. You know, I'm going to be offering my services to coaches and athletes looking to enhance their performance, whether it's business related or if it's personal development related, because that's what I'm into. Now, a quick note to give you guys, like a quick little value bomb, is you just need to do two things first thing in the morning. And yesterday we talked about addressing your physiological needs, right? And I wanted to make it super simple and streamlined and actionable steps that you can do for the next 30, 60, or 90 days. Like, challenge yourself with just these two simple steps. And what you'll find is that you'll enhance your performance from day to day. And also everybody around you will, like, you'll radiate that positive vibe. You know, you'll radiate that, you know, that it factor. And the two things are, upon waking up, I mentioned this yesterday, is meditate for 10 to 20 minutes. Drink 8 to 16 ounces of water. Now, if you can commit to doing that for 30 days, push it to 60. If you could do that for 60 days, push it to 90. All right, and let me know what you've experienced. Journal everything, you know, because what I found is that all the answers to your questions comes through meditation. The answers come through the meditation. Right? You could just ask away in your mind, clear your thoughts, you know, and structure your day. You know, you want to set yourself up to win. And a small way to do that is taking those first two steps. All right, it's just those small actions compiled over time, and you'll notice the difference. I'm not kidding you. Like, this thing is powerful. All right, just take 10 minutes, 20 minutes. All right, it doesn't have to take that much. You don't need no fancy apps, no gadgets. All you need is your smartphone. All right, a nice, quiet, dark room, a glass of water, and that's it. You know, you're taking care of your two primary physiological needs just by taking those two steps. You're, you know, strengthening your mind, which is the most powerful muscle, and you're strengthening the body by cleansing it and hydrating it. All right, and just those two things compiled over time. Ask away through meditation. All your answers are going to come through meditation, and you'll see that it will have drastic improvements in your day-to-day. All right, remember, you are the CEO to whatever position that you start from. So whether you're working that 9 to 5 or you're running your own small business, you know, you have to be performing at a high level. And the best way to do that is by taking care of your needs first. And when you perform at a high level, your employees or everyone around you feels that radiation, that energy transfer, and that's how, you know, you succeed, and that's how you have those small wins throughout the day. 1% better every day. All right, so that's what I have for you guys today. Hit me up in the comments, subscribe, and let me know what you think. If you take the challenge, be like, yo, hashtag 30-day challenge, hashtag 60-day, hashtag 90-day, whatever you want to commit to, hashtag it down in the comments and let me know that you're on this journey. Hit me up also on social, all right, at The C's Life on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So let me know that you guys want to take this meditation and hydration challenge, and let's do this all together, because I'm doing it every day. All right, you hop on it, get it done. All right, anyways, holla at your boy. Till the next time.